A hollow cylinder has an external radius 8 centimeters, height 10 centimeters. The total surface area is 338 pi square centimeters. Find out the thickness of the cylinder. That implies there are two cylinders are there. One is outside, the other is going to be inside. Now it is given that this is the cylinder. Now he had given that the height he had given it as 10 centimeters. The total height is 10 centimeters and the radius, external radius is equal to 8 centimeters. This is capital R, 8 centimeters he had given. We don't know what is this radius. Now we want to find out the thickness of the total two cylinders, and moreover given that the total surface area equal to 338 pi square centimeters. Therefore we want to find out this x value. At that time, total surface area of this plus this total surface area of this minus this particular portion, if I are able to remove, then my problem is solved. Therefore it is given that capital R is equal to, capital R radius is equal to 8 centimeters he had given. The height he had given it as 10 centimeters, and then total surface area we can call it as TSA is equal to 338 pi square centimeters. First we don't know what is small r, we have to find out that also then. Now here total surface area is equal to total surface area, that is TSA is equal to, first of all the total surface area of the bigger cylinder, that is 2 pi capital RH plus the total surface area of the smaller, that is inside. Therefore that is 2 pi RH plus, we want to find out this area also we want to find out. If we are able to find out that, then my problem is solved. Therefore 2 pi h into, you can call it as capital R square minus small r square. If I am able to take, then we are going to get the difference of the internal plus external plus the remaining hollow portion, that also we are. Now this you can write like this. If I take 2 pi h common factor, then we are going to get capital RH plus small r plus h into this, already h also we have taken common factor, therefore there is no need to worry for that, plus capital R square minus small r square. But we don't know what is small r, but we know only the total surface area, that is 338 pi square centimeters. Therefore this is equal to 338 pi. Therefore here you can write 338, because of pi gets cancelled, and 2 into 10 into capital R is 8 plus, we don't know what is the small r, plus this is 100 minus small r square. Therefore even if you cancel with the 2, you are going to get 2 15s are 30. Therefore 2 15, this and 2 16s are 32, 2 9s are 18, therefore 169. Therefore this is 169 minus is equal to 80 plus 80, this you can write like this, 10 into 8 plus, that is 108 plus r minus r square. Here we have like this, this is nothing but 16.9 is equal to 108 plus r minus r square, because I am dividing with a 10, we are able to get 16.9 is equal to 108 plus r minus r square. Now 16, this you can write like this, r square minus r is equal to 108 minus 16.9. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation in terms of r. If I am able to find out this small r, then I can find out what is this x is going to be now. Therefore, we are going to solve this quadratic equation so that we can get the what is the value of r. If we get small r, then capital R minus small r will give you this x portion. This is the basic idea behind this. Now, this is equal to, this we got like this, capital R small r square minus small r into 108 minus 16.9. But originally, if you look into it, the total surface area, this total surface area, it is given it as 338 is equal to, this we had given it as 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi RH plus, this you can write as 2 pi into r square minus capital R square minus small r square. Now, already h had given, capital R also given. Because we are going to make use of this result to simplify this one. Therefore, this you can take it as, this is equal to 2 pi if you take common factor, RH plus RH plus r square minus r square. Here, this is 338 pi. Therefore, here you can cancel pi and pi you can cancel. Therefore, this is going to be the 198 because 2 16, this is 169. Therefore, 2 16 the 32, 2 9 the 18. Capital R is 8. Therefore, this is 80 plus this is 10 R because H is R. H is 10 small r plus capital R square. Therefore, this is 64 minus small r square. Therefore, this you can write as 169 is equal to 80 plus this is 4, 8 plus 6 is 14, 144 plus 10r minus r square. Now, if you simplify further, we are going to get as 169 minus 144 is equal to 10r minus r square. Therefore, this is equal to, this is 5. Here you can write as 25. This is equal to 10r minus r square. This whole thing you can write as r square minus 10r plus 25 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in small r. Therefore, generally the quadratic equation will have the two roots. Now, in this, (25) can be written as 5 into 5. Therefore, 5 plus 5 is 10. Therefore, it is a perfect square. R minus 5 whole square equal to 0. That implies R is equal to 5. Now, we got the value is small r is equal to 5, you got it. Originally, capital R is equal to 8 centimeters and then small r is equal to 5. We want to find out the thickness here. This thickness we have denoted with small x. Therefore, small x is equal to capital R minus small r, which is equal to capital R is equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Therefore, x value you got it as 3 centimeters we got it. That is, thickness is 3 centimeters. The same manner that earlier quadratic equation also, even if you solve, we are going to get the 3 centimeters. But only the difference which we are going to make out is going to be, here we want to write it as capital R square. This is nothing but the area of the bigger circle minus the area of this smaller circle will give you only the area of the outer ring portion. That outer ring portion is one of the important factor in this particular cylinder example. find the slant height of a cone with a radius 5.6 centimeters and the surface area and the complete surface area equal to 158.4 centimeters square. Now we want to find out the slant height of a cone. Of the base radius we had given it as 5.6 centimeters and complete surface area is 158.4 centimeters square. Now whenever we are thinking about a cone, naturally this is going to be the base, this is going to be the height here, this is a small r, this is capital, this is height, this is L. Now we know that complete surface area is equal to pi r L. We don't know what is that L is going to be now. Our main interest is going to be, we want to find out the slant height, we want to find out. If you know that h, if I are able to find out the h, then my problem is going to be solved. L also we can. Therefore, this is 158.4 is equal to pi, that is 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 5.6 here given, that is 56 by 10 in 56 by 10 into L. We don't know what is that L is going to be now. Even here also you can write like this, 1584 divided by 10, that is 22 into 56 divided by 7 into 10 into L. Therefore 7 8 is 56, 10 10 cancel. Here you can cancel with the 2 11s of 2 7s of 14, 2 9s of 18, therefore 2 2s of. Therefore further you can write like this, 11 7s of 77, 11 2s of, therefore 9s of, therefore L is equal to 9, we got it. Now if we want to find out this h, let us call it as this triangle is ABC is a triangle. Now you can talk about the triangle. From the triangle ABC, you can take it as h square plus r square is equal to L square. We don't know what is that h is going to be. We have to find out h. H is equal to root of L square minus r square. L already we got it as 9, we got it here. Therefore L square is 81, 9 square is 81 minus r square. R is already radius here given it as 5.6 centimeters here given. Therefore this you can write as 56 by 10 whole square, you can write it. If you simplify further, we are going to get the h value. This you can write it as 8100 minus, we want 50 divided by 10, we are going to write it here. If we simplify this one, we are going to get as 8100 minus 3136 will give you, this is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, here it is going to be 10, here we are going to get as 10 minus 3 is going to be, this we are going to get as 4964 divided by 10, we are going to get it as, this we are going to get as 78. Therefore this you are going to get as, this is nothing but the value is going to be the 7.8 is the value for this. Now this we are going to get as, therefore here if you see that height is equal to 7.8, we are getting it. That is the required slant height for this. But originally if you think about it, we want the find the height of a cone with radius this is, and moreover slant height anyhow we are getting it as from this. Naturally we are going to find out what is going to be the height of this particular question. Now in this we have applied the formula total complete surface area equal to pi r L. This is the one of the important aspect in this. Now the same model we are going to see in the next question. Now a tent in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a cone having its diameter of the base equal to 24 meters. Now this is a cylinder. On the cylinder we have a cone which we can call it as a it is called as a tent, and then the diameter of a base equal to 24 meters, that is 24 meters is the diameter, and then the vertex of a cone is 5 meters above the cylinder. That implies this height he had given it as 5 meters. Now we want to find the cost of the tent if the rate of a canvas is going to be 10 per centimeter square. We don't know what is the height of the cylinder. We don't know what is going to be the slant height, slant height of the cone, but we know only the radius. If we know the radius, if we know the height, but how to find out this is also going to be one of the biggest question. Therefore first we will write the given content. It is given that the diameter is 24 meters here given. Therefore radius is equal to d by 2, that is the diameter by 2. 24 by 2 is equal to 12 meters. Now the radius we got as a radius is equal to, that is the base radius is equal to r is equal to 12 meters, you got it. The height of the cylinder is 11 centimeters here given. That implies the height also he had given it as 11. Therefore height h is equal to height of this 11 centimeters is the given height. Now the vertex is already 5 meters above. That implies naturally this is also going to be 11 meters. Height is also going to be the 11 meters. Now our main interest is we want to find out the cost of the tent if that implies the surface area of a cylinder plus the surface area of a cone. The sum of these two will give you how much amount we have to spend for the canvas purpose. That is the basic idea. Therefore the total surface area is equal to the total surface area is equal to surface area of a cone plus surface area of cylinder. Okay, therefore this, if we are able to think about it, my problem is solved. What is going to be the surface area of a cone? That is pi r L. Pi r L plus this is 2 pi r h. Therefore 2 pi r h will give you the total surface area of a cylinder. Therefore here you can call it as, but we don't know what is going to be the L. Therefore we want to find out from this. Let us call it as this is the triangle ABC. Therefore from the triangle ABC, you can take it as L square is equal to, that is nothing but that is AB square plus BC square. Therefore L square is equal to, that is 25 plus BC is 144, that is 12. Therefore L is equal to root of 169, that is equal to 13 meters. Therefore L we got it. Anyhow we know the cylinder height, we know the radius, we know what is going to be the pi. Therefore, this is pi into r is equal to, you got it as 12 meters into L is equal to 13 meters plus 2 pi into r is equal to, radius is equal to 12 into height is equal to 11. Now, if you take pi as a common factor, if you take it 12 into 13 plus, that is 13, 12, 13 into 12, therefore 36, 12, 156, therefore this is 156 plus 22 into 12, therefore 22 into 12, 12 to the 24, 24 plus 2, 26, therefore this is going to be the 264. Now, 264 plus 156, therefore that is equal to 10, 6 plus 6 is 12, therefore 420, therefore this is equal to pi into 420, we got it, that is total 420 pi square centimeters is going to be the total surface area. But simplify, we have to simplify further. This you can write it as 22 by 7 into 420, 7 6 is 42, 0. Therefore, this we are going to get as 6 2 is 12, 6 2 is 12, 13. Therefore, 1320 we are getting it as 1320 pi square centimeters. Pi square meters, because everything we are measuring in meters. But the cost of a tent of a canvas is rupees 10 per meter square. Therefore, the cost of the total canvassing that is equal to 1320 into, that is equal to 10, that is equal to 13,200, that is nothing but rupees 13,000, rupees 13,200 rupees we are going to spend for the entire canvassing the total, the cone with cylinder.